Ever found yourself wondering, how do I withdraw money from my TD account? If so, you've landed in the right place. Whether you're a longtime TD customer or just starting your banking journey, understanding your withdrawal options is key to managing your finances effectively. We've all been there. You need cash for something specific, or you're transferring funds for a larger purchase, and the question pops into your head. What's the easiest and most convenient way to get money out of my TD account? Well, good news. TD offers a variety of methods to access your funds, catering to different needs and preferences. So, let's dive into the specifics and demystify the process of withdrawing money from your TD account. First up, and probably the most common method for quick cash, are TD ATMs. With a vast network of automated teller machines, finding a TD ATM is usually pretty straightforward. All you need is your TD access card, your debit card, and your personal identification number, PIN. Simply insert your card, enter your PIN, select withdrawal, choose the account you want to withdraw from, checking or savings, and enter the desired amount. It's fast, convenient, and available 24/7. Remember to be mindful of daily withdrawal limits, which can vary based on your account type and card. Next, if you need a larger sum or prefer face-to-face interaction, visiting a TD branch is always an option. This is ideal for withdrawing substantial amounts of cash, getting a bank draft, or processing more complex transactions. When you head to a branch, make sure to bring your TD access card and a valid piece of government-issued photo identification. The teller will be happy to assist you with your withdrawal. Keep in mind branch hours when planning your visit. For those who prefer digital banking, Interac e-transfers offer a fantastic way to send money to yourself or someone else, even if they bank elsewhere. While not a direct cash withdrawal, it's a super efficient way to move funds from your TD account. You can send an Interac e-transfer through TD EasyWeb, online banking, or the TD app. Simply log in, navigate to the e-transfer section, select the recipient. You can send it to yourself using a different email address or phone number, enter the amount, and send it. The recipient then receives a notification and can deposit the funds into their account. Another digital option for moving funds between your own accounts, even if they're at different institutions, is an external transfer. Through TD EasyWeb, you can link external bank accounts and initiate transfers. This is incredibly useful if you need to move money from your TD account to an account you hold at another bank. Just remember to set up the external account link beforehand. Finally, for certain situations, you might consider writing a check. If you have a checking account with TD, you can write a check to yourself and cash it at a TD branch, or deposit it into another account you hold. While less common for direct cash withdrawals in the age of digital banking, it remains a valid option for many. So, whether you're grabbing some cash from an ATM, visiting a friendly teller, sending money digitally, or even writing a check, TD provides multiple avenues to access your funds. Understanding these options empowers you to manage your money with confidence and convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.